Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can sort the data in Excel from largest to smallest and keep the related data in the second column in sync with the first column. So here I already prepared the numbers for you. As you can see, the first column are the month from January to December. One stands for January, of course, and 12 for December. And these are the second column are the expenses for all those months. So I highlight everything over here. As you can see, including the headers, I click on home and then I click on sort and filter over here and I click on custom sort. Then the sort dialog is open. Here I make sure to check the box where my list has headers because we have headers. And then I click on in the column part, I click on here and then I choose my first column. And then because we have two columns, I add one more column. I choose my second column over here, and here in order, I choose from largest to smallest. And then I click OK. Here we go. We have our first column from largest to smallest. And as you can see, the Excel has kept the second column aligned with the first column. Thank you guys, and hope this video was helpful for you.